Hello student. Today we are going to study the power angle characteristics of synchronous machines. So we will consider first cylindrical rotor synchronous machine, and then we will consider the salient pole cylindrical machine. So let us see power angle characteristics of synchronous machine. So sometimes it is called P del characteristics. P for power and del for angle, load angle characteristics. Consider first cylindrical rotor synchronous machine. Power angle characteristics of synchronous machine. Considering cylindrical rotor synchronous machine. Assuming that machine acting as a generator. Machine acting as a generator. Here resistance Ra, armature resistance per phase. Its value is very small. Ra very small. So Ra is neglected, as its value is negligibly small. Ra is neglected. As this is cylindrical rotor synchronous machine, air gap is uniform. In synchronous cylindrical machine, air gap is uniform throughout the periphery. Assuming that this is cylindrical machine, its excitation EMF is EF, its synchronous reactance is XS, and this is connected to the infinite bus bar, where terminal voltage is VT, synchronous reactance is XS, and current delivered is IA. And assuming power factor lagging power factor, considering lagging power factor. So for this power factor, plotting the phasor diagram. So this is VT. This is the terminal voltage per phase VT. This is VT. And as power factor considered is lagging, current IA lag VT by power factor angle theta. This is power factor angle theta. Then plotting IRA drop, but it is negligibly small, neglected because RA is neglected. Then plotting IA excess drop, synchronous reactance drop. This is 90 degree to the current 90 degree to the current vector. So this is the IA excess drop, J times IA excess drop, and as this is 90 degree to IA, this is 90 degree, and this is the EF. This is the EMF induced in the alternator EF. Now this is power factor angle theta. Angle between excitation voltage and terminal voltage is load angle. Torque angle del. So del is called load angle or torque angle. Now this is O, A, B and C. O, A, B and C. This is 90 degree. So this angle is 90 minus theta. This is 90 minus theta. So this is 90 plus theta. This is 90 plus theta. Now angle power delivered to the infinite bus by synchronous generator. This is power delivered is P is equal to Vt Ia cos of theta. This is power delivered per phase to the infinite bus by the cylindrical rotor synchronous generator, and this is the equation 1. Now from phasor diagram, angle OBA, angle OBA, this angle, this is angle OBA, this is 90 minus theta. Then angle OBC, angle OBC, OBC, this angle, this is 90 minus theta, so this is 90 plus theta, this is 90 plus theta. Angle BOC, this is BOC, this is angle del, BOC is angle del. Now triangle OBC, so in triangle OBC, so in triangle OBC, BC upon BC, in triangle OBC, applying sine rule, BC upon sine of angle BOC, ठीक है. So BC upon sine of angle BOC, this is equal to OC upon sine of angle OBC. OC is equal to sine of angle this is OC upon sine of angle OBC. But from phasor diagram, BC is equal to IAXS. BC is equal to IAXS. Sine of angle BOC, this is angle del, sine of angle del is equal to OC. OC is nothing but EF, this is EF upon sine of angle OBC, this is nothing but sine angle OBC. OBC is this, OBC is 90 plus theta, OBC is angle 90 plus theta. So from this, IAXS sine 90 plus theta is equal to EF sine of angle del. From this, IA is equal to EF sine of angle del upon xs, and this is equal to Ia cos of theta. So from this equation, Ia sin 90 plus theta cos theta, Ia cos theta is equal to Ef sin del upon xs. Put this in equation 1. Therefore power delivered to bus bar, power delivered to infinite bus bar, this is equal to P is equal to Vt, and Ia cos of theta, this is equal to Ef upon xs sin of angle del. So this is power delivered. So power delivered is Ef Vt upon xs sin of angle del. So this equation is called power angle equation of the synchronous machine. Now from this, characteristics is plotted. So if Ef is Ef, Vt, xs is constant and del is varied. So when del is 0, load angle del is 0, then sin 0 is 0, P is 0. So this is characteristics, this is del, this is P. So when del is 0, power is 0, and when del is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So del is 90 degree, this is the maximum power degree, this is 90 degree, and when del is 180 degree, it is 0. So this is 180 degree, this is 0. So this is power delivered. This characteristics is Ef Vt upon xs sin of angle del. So this is for generator. So for motor, power is opposite, so characteristics will be exact same, but this is like this. So this is for minus 90 degree, this is minus 180 degree, and this is for generating mode, this is for generator. So this is the motor. So this is P del characteristics of the synchronous machine. So this is positive when synchronous machine operate as a generator, and this is negative when synchronous machine operate as a motor. So at 90 degree, power is maximum. When del is 90, power is maximum.